Hey guys, so I am a makeup artist slash lash artist, and I wanted to share with you guys some of the products that I use or I've gotten during my journey and see if they work for you guys. Just to clarify though, this will be a lash video on my lash products. If you guys want to see anything makeup related, just let me know. And I do have paint on me because I did do a body painting. So just like okay guys, so I have a video also that shows beginner lashes, kind of like my setup and tools that I use as a beginner lash artist. If you guys want to check that out before this video, these are kind of some new products that I've gotten and I've added to my studio. So I want to show you guys the new things that I've got. So okay, one of the things that I forgot to show in my last video, which I did have, was my hygrometer, and this is to detect your humidity in your room or your studio. So another thing that I recently got, which I'm absolutely like in love with, is my eyelash tweezer holder. I'm not sure where my mom got it, but it looks really cute, and it looks, if you look closely, like it has like some marbling in it, and it holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tweezers, which is a lot. And I do keep kind of my lids on top so that my eyelash tweezers are. So I did pick up one of these little mirrors to check my lashes from the opposite side, to make sure that there's no stickies and everything's okay. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. And it bends, which I think I got, which was actually a gift, and I actually do love it a lot, or love them a lot. So my aunt got me these little glue holders. She wasn't quite sure which kind I use, so she had gotten these ones for me, and they just come like this, and they have the little grooves so you can put your glue. And I love using them to practice with, because I can just set them down on my desk and I'm sitting there making pre-made fans or practicing on my mannequin head, and I don't have to put the ring on and or waste my rings, because I do use rings with my clients. So I get to save those, and then I just use these to practice with, which I absolutely love. Super cute. That my aunt did get me was glitter wands for my clients. They're super cute. They have glitter inside and they're pink, so I can give this to my client at the end of their service. And I did buy my straws. These are my straws, and I do have pink ones as well for February. And all you do is get scissors and you cut the straw and you use it as and all you do is put it on and you give it to your clients like that, so they can take home and use. Another thing that my mom did get me were these super cute magnifying glasses. I don't know where she got them from, but they do have LED lights on them, and it comes with a charger, so you don't have to worry about the getting batteries or anything. I can't see because they're magnifying. But they're super cute. So up close, and the light, super cute. Thanks mom for these. They come with the USB charger. And then the last thing that I did get recently, I got from my mother-in-law, were these super cute note cards, and it says building my empire. So I thought these were cute just to have sitting out. I can write notes to my clients or whatever if anyone needs any paper. I thought that was super cute. And guys, that was it for my new products that I got, or my new tools that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. And this was body paint, like I said at the beginning, so don't mind it. I just got done body painting. So this was